OpenAI has updated its image generation model. It can now edit images with greater precision and preserve specific details between generations. In today's video, I'll show you how to test it in ChatGPT. Last week, OpenAI announced that it has improved its image generation model. Specifically, they tell us that it's now a more precise tool for editing faces, logos, and preserving fine details between generations. In fact, they shared a video showing an example where they edit this girl's outfit, and you can see how it effectively preserves her face with almost total fidelity. If we advance a bit further in the video, we see how this tool can also work with external images. Here we see how it edits a user's own image, for example, adding an element behind her, so this model could become an alternative to Flux models. That said, they announced it as an API improvement, but it appears this enhancement is already available in ChatGPT as well. After showing you how it works in ChatGPT, I'll show you a free alternative with much more generous free usage than ChatGPT that already uses this technology, that allows you to do the same thing with perhaps slightly different quality, but conceptually the same, which is free and unlimited. Okay, so I started with this random room photo, and I had these separate images of a little table and a wooden chair, like literally just copy-pasted them on top without any fancy editing. I told ChatGPT, make these furniture pieces actually look like they belong in this room. And I'm not gonna lie, the result was pretty damn impressive. Look at these tiny details, the wood texture on the chair, the exact shape of the table, even that lighting coming from the window in the background. Everything just fit perfectly. The wooden chair looked like it was always supposed to be there. It's time to push it further. I uploaded a selfie and was like, put me sitting in that chair from before. Okay, the pose it gave me was, let's call it questionable. By mistake, I generated two images. They are not bad, but the composition changed a little bit, as you can see here. The position of the chair and table moved from the original image. I think I didn't specify to keep exactly the same style in the prompt. Let's move on to our next example. I uploaded this image with someone wearing a red hat and said, lose the hat. Simple enough request. Here's where it gets interesting. It nailed the hat removal and kept the image texture perfect, even though ChatGPT has this annoying limitation where it only spits out square images or 3:2 and 2003 ratios, so it had to change again the format, this time to a vertical resolution. Again, I think I didn't specify the resolution detail in the prompt, but it still looked great. But then, things got a bit wonky. I tried uploading this pic of a girl jogging and asked it to add a Labrador dog running next to her. This time, I will put in the prompt, leaves the same style and format at 4:3 aspect ratio. Okay, it did a pretty good job, but still cropped the format to 1:1 square. Let's do a last example. Let's ask, change the background to New York and fix the lighting to make it look professional. This time, did it really good. However, you can still see a bit that color and texture that you can tell that it was done with ChatGPT. But regardless, the result is much better now with this model. Okay, so ChatGPT is cool and all, but, and this is a big but, there's this awesome free alternative that's way more generous, Microsoft Copilot. You can basically do the same stuff I just showed you, except you don't have to pay for it. Well, mostly free anyway. I ran the same furniture test with Copilot, and honestly, pretty good. It's not 100% perfect. When I tried adding myself to the scene, not quite as smooth as ChatGPT, but still totally usable. And remember, this is free. Tried the hat removal thing too. Didn't keep the face as perfectly identical as ChatGPT, but hey, it's free. Plus, coming from Microsoft, who usually gets super paranoid about generating people's faces, I'm honestly surprised it worked this well. ChatGPT's new image editing is pretty sweet, but you've got solid free alternatives that can do almost the same thing. That's all for this video. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you in the next one. Bye!